hold my beer. Watch this. Let's go. All right, so guys, we have our oxtails here, and I'm bound and determined to see if I can really smoke an oxtail all the way through. So either we gonna learn together, you're gonna learn from my mistake, or we gonna get it going. So hey, hold my beer. Watch this. Got us some olive oil as a binder. Just give them, you don't want to go you don't want to go berserk with this. I have washed my hands a million times, all right? I'm about to coat them, and I'm going to have to wash them again, all right, guys? I'm sorry. It is what it is. Here we go. So we're going to make sure our olive oil are all over. I'll smack you silly. Go to your local butcher, man. You know what I'm saying? Or even talk to the people in your local grocery store. They'll do them just like these. My favorite seasoning on. Okay? If you don't know what my favorite seasoning is, watch some of the previous videos, you'll figure it out. Here we go. Here we go.
You gonna season the countertop?
Season the countertop, the floor, man, myself. All right.
What's happening?
This right here is a sweet and savory. Still same brand, still same brand, because they put out a good product. If you want to know what the product is, comment, ask me what the product is, and I'll reply to you. I swear to God. Now that we have the oxtail seasoned up and the countertop, what we're going to do, ooh, Jesus, get us an all-purpose seasoning, Sazon, for my Caribbean and Latin friends, because I love y'all too. I should put some curry on there for my friends over there in South Asia and India. That's what I should do. But that'll be another video, guys. And again, I thank all of you so much for watching the videos, taking time out of your day, commenting me, giving me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Let's go. A little paprika just for color. And if I only had a third hand, guess what? I'll be on to something.
I got you, baby.
Okay. If I had a third hand, I'd be on to something. But guess what? I got a third hand. We're going to do some cracked black pepper. 3 hands right there. Y'all see them? Uno, dos, tres. Some cracked black pepper on them. And then we're going to the smoker. Love you guys. Hold my beer channel. Welcome to Florida. So down here it does rain, but guess what? If you know what you're doing and you're capable of doing it, no matter what the elements are, we're gonna keep persevering. Because I'm bound and determined to see if these oxtails are gonna smoke. I'm about to see what all the hoopla is about. Okay, I did have another video about them, but I kind of cheated a little bit and I braised them. Today, I'm gonna see if you can actually just smoke an oxtail all the way through, no matter how long it takes, and if it can be achieved. Cause I just want to know for myself, cause it's a dense cut of meat, and I've never heard you can do it, but I'm about to figure it out today, one by hook or crook. All right. So we're back at it, guys. We're rolling because I'm anticipating this taking a long time. I'm rolling with cherry wood today. Okay, cherry wood, a light wood, very simple. I'm going super indirect, okay? Don't worry about that right now, but we are gonna sear them off. I want to sear these a little bit. I don't know if y'all can hear that sound. We're gonna sear them. Oh, let's see. Whoa, horsey. Oh well, dead soldier. We're gonna sear them up. Then we're gonna go super indirect. Big boy oxtails. Y'all hear that sear? Then we're gonna flip them over. Then they're gonna go way over here where my smokestack is at. And then so we can get all that smoky goodness into them. I'm thinking this is gonna take, I don't know how long it's gonna take. We're gonna figure it out together. All right, let's go. The Hold My Beer channel. Like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up. Please go. All right, guys, I've seared them off now. I've moved them to super indirect. I do have my drip pan underneath them, and I'm gonna let them go. I have nothing else to do today, outside of drink beer. You know, hold my beer. Watch this, and watch a little football. And we're gonna let them just rip. So my time right now, it is 3:30, and I'm gonna let them go to like every hour. I'm just gonna check on them, check on them, check on them until I think they're done. All right. So hey, from my lips to your ears, let's go. All right, family. So I am now like 2.5, 3 hours into the cook, and I don't know if you can really smoke oxtails long enough. I guess you could do it if you're gonna do it super low and slow, but for the average person or individual, for your or family, something that takes 2, 3, 4 hours, even even if you're watching football or whatever, I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. We're gonna see. Keep seeing what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna keep tapping back in. Thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. All right, guys. So these are done. Ooh. Ooh. All right. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna give this to my cameraman back there.
Whew. Smoky.
So appreciate you guys. Thank you for taking time out your day to watch our video, and we'll see you in the next one. Every Sunday around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, US. That's what we're doing. Let's go.